With this video, I think the best way to answer this question is to show you a screenshot of the countries that are now currently involved and participating with Save Club. So I can freeze the video, or obviously you just hit pause and you can read real quick, or if you want, type or write it out. It'd take me too long to write out all this stuff here I'm going to show you. But these countries right here, and I got 2 pages worth. And like I said, if you're watching my video on a home computer or a laptop, the screen's pretty big. And if you are watching on a cell phone, just screenshot and you can blow it up a little bit. But you can see it starts here with the letter A and the letter M. And then here's the second page, starting with Nambia. Whoop, if I can say it. Is it Nambia? Going to Zimbabwe. A lot of crazy countries, but believe it or not, since there's really not a lot of shipping, we're not sending a product over borders or using Federal Express or DHL International. There's not a chance of the product getting stolen or lost in the shuffle and somebody, I don't know, puts it under their shirt and runs out the door at the post office. Okay, that's the beauty of digital products, where this is a savings company. So if you live in one of these countries, and right now, Thailand, let's see, Philippines is really doing well. And if I go back to this page, I know Malaysia's on here. Oh, there it is right there. Malaysia's really doing well. Outstanding. But yeah, we go clear over to Italy, up to Ireland, cut on over to Dominican Republic by Costa Rica. And you can see down below by Argentina and good old Brazil. But look at this. Chile. Or is it Chill? I think I live in Chill. That sounds cool. But Chile and China is the sleeping giant. Now, every day, by far, the biggest question I get is Asian markets. And I get it's probably just because I have a little bit of a downline over there. So this is all I can say. I listen Monday, Wednesday, and Friday to our live Zoom meetings hosted by Pete and our founder, Charles. And they just talk about the direction, the future, what's the vision, just what's currently going on with Save Club. Because we've only been open 3 days for business. We did do a pre-launch for 30 days, but ready, set, go. We are now hauling ass. We're in the fast lane. And we are going to get more deals each week, each month, each year on planet Earth. Now, most of the deals are going to be here in America, a lot of them in Canada, and obviously Europe. And each section of the world, let's just say Africa, clear over to Asian areas, down below Australia, New Zealand, and cruising on over to Brazil. I mean, everywhere. According to our CEO, our founder, every day, every month, we are adding more and more deals. And the goal is worldwide. Countries you've never even heard of. When I look at this list right now, I don't even know how to say Côte d'Ivoire, but I know I see it once in a while in the news. I don't know. I've heard of Latvia, but I've never heard of Lesotho. I mean, that's crazy. All right, Mali and the Maldives. Am I saying that right? Or Malawi? But I've heard of Moldova. I've heard of Monaco. I know that, is it Mauritius? It's like a tiny little island off the African coast. Isn't it like beautiful if you look it up? And I don't even know how to say it. Okay, I've heard of Guinea, Greece, Ghana. I know France and Finland, but I've never heard of the Equatorial Guinea. I'm guessing that's is that a little section off New Guinea? I have no idea. But I've never heard of Comoros. I've heard of Colombia. I've never heard of Bhutan, but I've heard of Bolivia. I've never heard of Benin. I've heard of Belize and Belgium, but there's a lot of little countries out there, and we're going to be in every single one of them. All right, so at this point in time, as of June 3rd, we're going to be on planet Earth. So hang in there, especially to my Asian buddies, because every day they're like, well, when's there going to be more deals in, let's say, Thailand or Japan or Malaysia? What should I tell my friends in China? Just hang in there. You want to be an affiliate, just lock in that $60. Get in now. Because you literally could have a city sign up underneath you. And I'm not kidding. We're only 3 days old. There's only thousands of people in Save Club. We're going to have 1 million, 2 million, 3 million. Yes, there will be millions of deals. We're going to have a lot of people inside the Save Club community paying $20. And you can bet, like right now, we already have Walmart's to Progressive Insurance. We have billion, if not trillion-dollar companies already inside, ready to give you some savings. You just got to hang in there. Even gasoline, which I can't wait because I go through diesel and gasoline like crazy because everything I drive is massive. I have big trucks and 454s and big Hummers. So, boy, when gasoline, count me in. But I've already saved a ton of money just on tires and some other things. But I just wanted to make a video to show you those 2 pages of countries and hang in there. Everyone is excited. Everyone wants millions of deals already available in the My Deals section when you log in to Save Club. But all you have to do at this point is just look at the opportunity. Do you have $19.97 a month to be a member? Awesome. Do you want to pay $60 for the year? For 1 year, $60, that is it. And I'm pretty darn sure, this is my opinion, but I think you're going to save way more than $60 and way more than $19.97 just on the membership savings deal. And when you start spreading the information like I do as an affiliate, just inviting you to click a link to a website that's already provided to you for $60, you're going to have the website, the capture page. The videos do everything for you. They're already made. If you join my team, I already have, God, I don't know how many videos. I think I have over 100 and something videos that you can choose and upload anytime, anywhere to either Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Some are longer videos. Some are those little tiny ones that are like 10 to 15 seconds. But they're already made for you. They promote Save Club, but not who to join under. That's where you come in. So what I do, I just come up with a nice link, and I like to show it in front of you guys. So let me just show you here what I do. Okay, there we go, guys. Boom. Official Save Club. If you click that, you're going to go to this page, which you get for $60. And you fill out this information, click that orange button, you're going to get a really awesome email where you can either get more information about Save Club or just unsubscribe, never hear from us again, or join. Just open up the email and read along. But I recommend, please keep the emails, that you can learn a lot from them. And that's all I do. I invite you to click a link to watch something. I'm done. I've already signed up almost 100 people just from this little video here and people clicking this link. That's all you got to do, okay? And the funnel system, what I use, this is $25 and you don't have to use it. This is like putting, I don't know, maybe fancy wheels on your Camaro, or I don't know, tint in the windows because it's hot outside and you live in Arizona. But with the club funnel link there, the Save Club funnels, I would look into it. It has really made me a lot of extra money besides Save Club. All right. And I think that it might be something that'll get you unstuck. Now this is just for you if you're having a little bit of, I don't know if I'd call it trouble, but it's just kind of brain fry. Sometimes you don't know what to post, what pictures to post, what videos to upload. Most people hate video. They don't even do it. We have everything for you. All you got to do is go to that saveclubfunnels.com, join Save Club, of course, get the funnel for $25, and you'll see. Just follow the video. My buddy Melvin explains everything perfectly, and that way we get you into our family. We have 2 private Facebook groups that I think are outstanding where you can ask a million questions. There's no such thing as a bad question, and most of it's going to be about marketing, how to do this, how to do that. And with Save Club, there's a training tab. There's a lot of great stuff. And for $60, wow. For $25 extra for that funnel, awesome. And if you don't want it, then don't pay next month. It's up to you guys. But it's just something to look into. Most people that use a funnel system, in my opinion, are way more successful than trying to do this alone. And you really need to join a group. I recommend it highly, unless you've been a guru and doing online marketing for a long time. And some people, are good at that. But you don't have to host meetings at your house or do live Zooms. It's just nice to belong to a big group of people that are successful with free training, free pictures, free videos, a lot of cool stuff that you can use, and then figure out your own style, a month from now, maybe 2 months. Maybe it'll take you 6 months to a year, but at least you got powerful stuff you can use now. Because, guys, there's hardly anybody that's even joined Save Club, let alone as affiliates. Most people join for $60 and don't do nothing. I already know that. 9 out of 10 people that have $60, they're going to join in a week later. They're going to forget even how to post about Save Club. Don't be that person. Let's vacuum up people signing up in cities, states, countries. Let's get a big old group of people and let's make some money. And let's save some money too, okay? All right, go to both those links. Let me know what you think. There's my contact info. You can see Cory at corydraper.com. Sound good, guys? Subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you guys have a good one. And if you're watching me any time around June 3rd, that's when I'm making this video. We're only 3 days old. Oh, you guys are, this is good timing. Don't sit too long, please. If you're going to be an affiliate, you need to lock in now. We'll figure everything out along the way, how to market, how to train, how to be interesting, how to upload this and do that. We have plenty of training, guys. Okay? High five. Thanks for your time. Cory at corydraper.com. Don't be shy. And let's do some saving. Let's do some save clubbing, okay? Take care, guys. Thanks again for your time.